Echo 2, perimeter secure. Moving to waypoint Gamma. Over. Echo 3-1, confirm visual.
Affirmative. Visual confirmed. Stand by for extraction.
Platform synchronized. Hydraulics engaged.
Copy that. Ascent initiated.
Control, we have an unidentified contact bearing 290, requesting weapon status.
Confirming hostile intent. All units. Sierra Foxtrot 1 is active.
Move, move, move! Get to the blast door! Contact front! Keep moving!
Commander, they've breached the perimeter at checkpoint 4.
Deploy the rapid response team now. I repeat, deploy the team.
Secrecy is paramount. Here, miles beneath the surface, the next generation of air power is already operational.
Avionics online. System check complete. Flight controls active.
Seismic activity increasing on the lower levels. Stabilizers holding steady, Major. Maximum compression at 70%.
Hardpoint engaged. Weapon secured. Stand by for retraction.
Drone 7, target acquired. Awaiting command. Copy that. Engage on site. Stand by for BDA report.
All squads, proceed to the extraction point. Move out now. Go, go, go! Sierra 1, we need immediate support at the bridge.
Copy that. Moving to assist. Watch your flank.
toilet. Below the surface, the turbines generate the immense power required for the hidden military complex.
Rerunning sequence Charlie, we have a deviation on the primary guidance. Acknowledged. Stabilization parameters confirmed.
Move! Get to the rendezvous point now! Watch the cross-section up ahead! Look at the gauge on the primary coolant loop. It's reading high.
Yeah, let me cycle the isolation valve.
Move! Get to cover!
Door closing!
Elevator 2 is secure.
Clear for launch. Proceed to runway 09er.